Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I'll be explaining you about the standard query operator that we use in the link. Um, it can be link query or it can be in link method. If you don't know or if you haven't gone through my previous video where I have explained you about the link query and the link method, please do go through that once before going into this. So let's now go and understand the filter operate filter operator. First is you have a where condition or where operator and the type of type operator. So the where operator is in my previous video I have used this operator a lot of time. So basically what it does is that it will give you values based on certain expression. So let's go into UiPath and I'll create one array of string to explain this and give some value over here as Ram, Sam, and one more is Ajay, right? Okay. Now let me type another output variable. It's just to store the value. We'll take a assign and go to the editor panel. Let me write the link query. Now, if you notice here, I have started with from. So basically, when we write a link query, we start with from. When we write link method, we usually start with as enumerable or enumerable function. So I'll start with or I'll write the link query now. The syntax is from keyword and range or range variable and in operate or in keyword and then your enumerable function condition. This is the syntax. It is there in my previous first part of this link tutorial. Please do go through that. From str in arr. Now where condition str dot equal in the bracket, let's say Ram. Okay. Now if I save this and let me give the output variable. If you observe over here, there is an error. It says that enumerable of string to string. We are unable to convert it. So let me go over here, change the data type into enumerable of string. Let me write print the value, loop through the output data table which is string enumerable of string type and log the message stating this. Okay, now let me run this code. Let's see the output. Before seeing the output, what will be our expected output? It should return Ram, and as per it returned as per expectation. Now let's go for the next one, that is of type. So it basically returns value from the collection based on the type that you have given in the code. So I'll make changes in this code itself. I'll remove everything after from where dot array dot of type. Okay. And now let's say of type of string. So this is supposed to write all the string value which is there in my array variable, which is 3 values, and it returned as per expectation. Now let's just change this into integer. Okay, it shouldn't return anything. However, if you see over here, there is an error. It states that you are trying to convert or you are trying to assign a value of type integer, enumerable of integer type into enumerable of string, which is not correct. So I need to change this into integer. How did I get this one? Is in the browse type, just type your enumerable and select this one, system collection generic, and over here select the required type. Okay, so once you clicked on OK, you will get that data type, which is enumerable of string or enumerable of int. Now let's see the output. It does not return anything, which is correct. Now this is done. Let's go for the next one, that is now let's go for the sort operator. So basically you have five sort operator: order by descending, then by descending, and reverse. Order by is used in both the cases, that is link query and link method. However, the order by descending, then by descending, and reverse, all these code are only used in the link method syntax. Okay, to understand this order by. For this, let me quickly build one data table. Same Sam 1, Ajay, let's say 4, Ram, let's say 2. Okay, and then again Ajay I'll give 3. Okay, now let's change the data column name. Its name, and another one will be roll number. Let's save this. Give the output data type. Create one output DT. Let's go to editor panel now. First is order by, right? So let's write one link query from row in my data table is DT1. Okay. Order by row of, let's say, name. Then select row. I'll just convert this into dot copy to data table. Now let's create DT2. I need to change its data table or data type into data table. Let's convert this output data table to DT2 to string. And then log message output str. Let's run this now. Now I am actually using order by for ascending order. You see, it's in ascending order. Now let me do one thing. Let me change this into descending order. Just done. Let me run this code. If you see, it's in descending order. Now in the same example, I'll try and I'll use the same example, and I'll try and explain you the then by and then by descending. So both of this will act as or will be used as a secondary sorting. Okay. So let me write a query which is dt1 dot. It's a link method I'm supposed to write because it only uses the link method. Okay, then as enumerable. Okay. Now I think I missed one to explain order by descending. So first I'll explain this order by descending, and then I'll go and explain you the other two, then by and then by descending. Just here itself order by descending, and then function of row, okay, and then row of name dot copy to data table. If I do this and run, the output is as per our expectation. Okay. Now let me change this into for then by. Okay. Let me remove this. So order by, now what it is, what will the query returns? It will returns in an ascending order. And here again dot then by. Let me copy from name to function. Okay, let me paste it over here. Let me just change this into roll number. So first it will be order by roll number, and then by you on the name. So now I'll be running the code. Let's see the output. It's as per our expected output. Okay. First it is ordered by the name, the roll number, and then using the name. Now let's go and do for the then by operator descending. Same thing, just run the code. There won't be much differences we see. But yeah, as I said before, this acts as a secondary sorting method. Okay. Now let's go and do for the another one example, that is reverse. So it's basically reverse the rows from, if it is starting with A, it will, and ending with the D. The reverse of this will be, it starts with D and ends with A. Let me do this here itself. Dot reverse dot copy to data table. Dot copy to data table. Let's see now. If you see Ajay 3, Ram, Ajay 4, and Sam. Let's just verify it. Ajay 3 is the last, Sam is the first, right? Which the reverse of it will be Ajay 3 is first and Sam is last. That's what the output is. So we covered two things here. One is using filter, or another one is sorting. The next one is grouping operator. You have group by operator and toLookup. Group by operator is basically, it will give you or returns groups of element based on some key value. Okay, so this is a syntax for using link query, and this is a syntax for using method. Let me just go into the UiPath and type one simple example for this. So in this example itself, I'll try to write a link query from, okay, let's say p in my dt1 dot as enumerable. Okay. Now group by x. It's just simple variable, group by x new with, now the key that I'll give here, key A is equal to p dot item, let's say roll number dot, okay, roll number. So basically what I'm trying to do here is that grouping the roll numbers and printing the data. So I again missed something over here. I need to add the key part, that is key. here it's supposed to be dot A. Now again I have to I'll copy that before doing this key dot B is equal to this one. Okay, it's not done yet. I still have to do in some more steps. Into group, select group of 0 and then close basis dot to array, which is I'm not getting over here. So that means something is missing. Let's see what does. There is a red mark over here if my end of statement is expected. So there is, I haven't started with the open bracket. Let me see, dot to array. Still I'm not getting the dot to array. Let's see what I have missed. Group by with keyword and open bracket, roll number, open the bracket, key dot A is equal to P. Okay, there is no is equal to, sorry about this. There should be a comma. What I'm trying to do, this will be usually group by is if you see in my syntax it states key and element, right? So that is what I'm trying to give over here. Okay, once this is done, now let's see, dot to array. Okay, sometimes what happens, the the function will not appear properly, so it's fine. Let's see if I can write it. Yeah, there is no error we get now. And then copy to data table. Now this is done. Let me close this one and run this. Let's see the output. And if you see, it grouped, the roll number is being grouped together and answer is being printed. Let me do one more thing. Instead of roll number, let me group the name and see the output result. If you see here, Ajay is being grouped, right? So the next one is to lookup operator. So basically it is similar to the group by. The only difference is that using to lookup, its execution is immediate, whereas group by is different. So the code is simple. Let me write the code. Okay. So dt1 dot as enumerable dot to lookup. Okay. Function row. Let me use a roll number. Okay. So since this is a link, if the data table, I have changed this into iLookup data table. So to print this, I have used the output dt2 of copy, the dt2 which I'll be getting here. This is just to show you how the output will look like, or how I get the output of that. Okay, you can try it out. And let me run this one, and if you see here, the output of this will be run to. That's all for today. In my next video, I'll explain more about the operators. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do like and share as much as possible. If you have any questions, please do write it in comment. I'll check and get back to you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.